too many storms we could not get through, but I still kept loving you. Now fate brought you back to me. This time I won't let you leave. I'm holding on to you forever. I'm never letting go. The time I spent away from you was time that made me see I need to live my life with you. I need you here with me, and it will take a strong, strong wind to take me from your arms again, to take me from your side. It will take a strong, strong wind to pull away this heart of mine, make us break apart this time. It will take a strong, strong wind. Hearts sometimes lose their way, but they find their way back someday to the arms they need. And I need you like the air I breathe. The time I spent away from you was time lost in the